Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jelly with gelatin. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You will need about 2 cups of your favorite fruit juice, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 packet of unflavored gelatin. Also, have a saucepan, a whisk, and some small jars or molds ready. This easy guide will help you create delicious, wobbly jelly right in your own kitchen, perfect for any occasion or a sweet treat. Now, let's talk about blooming the gelatin, a crucial step for a perfect texture. Take 1 packet of unflavored gelatin and sprinkle it evenly over 1/4 cup of cold water in a small bowl. Do not stir it, just let it sit quietly for about 5 to 10 minutes. This process allows the gelatin granules to absorb the water and swell, which prevents any grainy texture or lumps in your finished jelly. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. With your gelatin bloomed, it's time to combine everything. In a saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of your chosen fruit juice with 1/2 cup of sugar over medium heat. Stir continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved and the liquid is clear. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. Then, add your bloomed gelatin mixture to the warm juice, stirring gently until the gelatin is fully dissolved and incorporated. This ensures a smooth, consistent base for your jelly. The final steps are all about setting and enjoying your delicious creation. Carefully pour the warm jelly mixture into your prepared molds or small jars. Be sure not to overfill them. Once poured, transfer them to the refrigerator. Allow the jelly to chill for at least 2 to 4 hours, or until it is completely firm and wobbly. Your homemade jelly can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to be enjoyed as a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.